In this video, we're gonna do a quick overview of Viofo's brand new camera, the A329SW. Hey guys, how do we keep it dirty off-road? And in today's video, like I said, we're gonna do a quick overview of this camera. I've been a fan of Viofo's cameras for a very long time. Ever since a couple years ago when I was in an accident and my dash cam wasn't recording, I wanted a more reliable camera because mine just didn't work. Every time I needed it, it didn't work. And I did a lot of research and came upon Viofo's cameras on my own. And I bought several of theirs and they sent me their latest one to try out. And in this video, we're gonna do a quick overview. Now, we're also gonna do an install. In an upcoming video, we're gonna get this installed on my Ioniq 5N, but for now, we're gonna focus on the overview because that video got way too long. And there really was too much to cover, and I wanna make sure you guys learned all about this cool new camera first, and then we'll show you guys how to install it next week. In my opinion, they're probably one of the most reliable dash cams out there, and don't just take my opinion. If you guys go look at all the reviews, Viofo's always at the top because the quality of the cameras are great, the features are great, and there's a lot to love here. I guess this is the perfect time to say full disclosure. This video is not sponsored, but they did send us the camera in exchange for the install video on the Ioniq 5N. We're not getting paid for this, but we do get to keep the camera afterwards. Really quickly, let's first go over all the new features and why this camera is so interesting. There's so much that I had to take notes, and I'm gonna go off of my notes because it really is a lot. So first off, this is a 4K, 2K, 2K camera. So it's a 3-channel camera. Main camera is 4K 30, and then all the other cameras are 2K. Typically, when you do a camera like this, you'll get 4K camera. You might get a second camera that's 2K, but the third camera is almost always 1080, which really sucks, right? 1080 is really not enough for a dash cam. You really need to have 2K or higher, and this one, the main camera's 2K, 2K. What makes this kit unique too is that it also comes with an outdoor camera. Typically dash cams are made for the consumer side. Very few dash cams are made for the commercial side, and the commercial side is really expensive. These guys right here is designed to be flexible, so you can put it in any application, even in truck applications where you got to go much longer. So you can actually get different cable lengths to be able to do an outdoor camera. Now you don't have to get the outdoor camera. This one does come in multiple versions, which we'll go over later, and you can get it with a regular camera, single, dual, or triple channel setups. All of these three sensors are the Sony Starvis 2 sensors, which gives you way better image quality and way better performance at night too. A lot of dash cams don't perform too well at night. This one does. It also gives you the capability to do HDR video, which for these cameras, most people won't notice the difference, but it does improve the colors and the clarity a little bit better in a sensor this small. And then you have the option to do 3-channel simultaneous recording. To do that though, you need to have a high quality SD card, and Viofo started making their own. They're a little bit pricey, but these are A2V20 cards, which are key. You want to have a good SD card in order to record because 4K, 2K, 2K files are pretty large, and the speed required to record that is pretty high. Because I've had that problem before. I used a cheap SD card, and my camera would tell me, hey, card too slow or something like that. Avoid the errors, get a good quality SD card. They also come with built-in GPS. This is a standard feature. They've had it from the beginning. It has now Wi-Fi 6 support, so you can get much faster downloads. And then it has USB-C external port now, which is great because that means that it can support external drives. Internally, this can support about a 512 gigabyte SD card, but externally, it can support a 4 terabit solid state drive. And it supports all the major brands like from Samsung, SanDisk, and all that stuff. And it's really great for those commercial applications because a 512 SD card recording consistently is only good for about 8 to 10 hours, especially when you're doing 4K, 2K, 2K, right? You got 3 files being recorded. That's a lot of space that goes through relatively quickly. Now, a couple other features. These cameras have always had like a parking mode. And what that is when the vehicle is off, it can enable a parking mode using the hardwire kit that tells it when the vehicle is off. You can either do time-lapse recording, which is what I use, and you get a nice, sped up view as the car is parked. You can also do low bitrate recording where it's recording, but the video quality is not as great. And then there's also a motion detection option where if it detects motion, it'll start recording about 15 seconds prior and save that file. What's new in this model, they've added impact protection. And what that means is that it uses the G sensor, and if it notices that there was an impact while it was off, it'll record it, which is kind of cool, right? Because those, if somebody hits you or something like that, you want to be able to know. Battery protection. This is actually very important because a lot of these little cameras, especially if your car gets, sits for a while, like some of us that like to travel, put it, park it in an airport parking lot, even though this thing's only drawing about 5 amps, it can drain your battery if, leave it there long enough. This actually has battery protection so that it won't. There are multiple configurations options on this one, which is really great. It gives you tons of options. And basically you have the regular camera, the telephoto camera, and a waterproof camera. And from there you can pick your options. You can either do a single camera, dual camera, or a triple camera. You can get what they're calling the telephoto camera, which is basically the same as the regular camera, but it has a 4x optical zoom lens. And I guess this helps in those situations where you gotta set the camera farther away. And then finally, you have the option for the waterproof camera. If you wanna get the regular camera with the regular lenses, or opt for that waterproof camera. And then you have the option for the hardwire kit, which I highly recommend if you wanna be able to record while the vehicle's not on. And then you also have the option for a Bluetooth remote. This is great for if you have an accident and you want to lock the file, you hit that button and it'll lock the file. It also has voice commands too, which I don't use too much. And then finally, you have the option to get the SD card from them to guarantee that it works great with your dash cam. Now, this camera currently retails for $479.99. And that's actually a really good price considering what you're getting. Most of the 4K cameras out there on the market will just have a 4K primary, and you'll be lucky to get a 2K secondary. Interior one is almost always 1080p. This is 4K, 2K, 2K, so for that price of $479, this is actually a pretty good deal out there. Definitely do some research yourself. If we do have an affiliate link, we're gonna place that below so that you guys can also help support this channel a little bit. So now that we've covered all the features, let's do a quick unboxing to show you guys everything that comes in the package. Let's first start off with the actual camera itself. Camera's actually pretty good size. You have all your controls on here, easy to see. Nice lens, the lens is adjustable. And then this right here is your GPS puck. The GPS puck always sits by the windshield. The GPS cup is removable. Here we also see, looks like the interior camera. Yeah, this is the interior camera. The way you can tell is because of the IR lights that it has on the sides. And then inside you have a little package with, these are the stickies to use to connect it, which is kind of cool, right? They already come with the stickies on there, but they also know that these cameras last a long time. So they give you extra little stickers so that you can change your mind later, which I think I'm gonna end up installing this in the Ioniq 5, but eventually I'm gonna put it in the truck because I like the extra capability. Here's an extra decal for the rear camera, long instruction manual. And then inside you have all your cables. This is your short one is for the interior camera. Here is the actual rear camera. And like I said, this is the weatherproof one, so it's a little bit different. So you can see it's a completely sealed setup. It's designed to go outside and with the adjustable angle right there. I'm hoping you could tighten these two to get them like nice and tight so that it fixes the angle. It's also slotted so that you guys can hard fix it if you wanted to. You have a USB-C cable. Oh, look at this. The CPL filter, which is kind of cool. They come standard now, which is really cool to see. A little pry tool, which you're gonna need. They give you a little cigarette lighter 12-volt connector if you want to wire it that way. So for those that don't want to screw with it, you could use your cigarette lighter connector, and it gives you 2 ports too. It looks like a 5 amp and a much larger wattage amp too, which is kind of nice. And then this is your cable for the rear camera. Relatively straightforward there. If you also elect for the hardwire kit, option to use the parking modes. But essentially you have your little controller here. This thing's designed so that it can be 12 volt or 24 volt. And then it comes with 3 connections, black, yellow, and red. Black goes to ground, the red goes to a constant source, the yellow would go to a switch source, key switch source. You actually need this to use the parking mode. We also got their SD card. They sent us their SD card. Unfortunately, 64 gigs is not enough for like a full day of recording. This is only going to be enough for a couple hours, but it's a high quality SD card, so this is what we use to get started. Last but not least, the new remote. And this is kind of redesigned. It's a whole new design for this remote. I really like the new setup. It's a little bit lower profile. I don't know. I've never used their remotes. I might use this one. I like the way it looks. And it looks like they give you a spare battery this time, which is kind of cool. All right, that's it for the unboxing. Why Viofo? Now, like I said, I've been running these cameras for a very long time, 6-7 years now with no issues, and they've helped me out a lot. They're very reliable. There's a couple key features here that I think it's very important to call out as to why these cameras are great and why I picked them over other known brands out there. First of all is the features that they come with. There's a lot of features in this thing that are very well suited for dash cam that a lot of the other cameras don't. The number one feature that I rely on the most is the error notification. If this thing's not recording, it tells you it's not recording. It'll sit there and beep on you until you address it. Most cameras, you'll get into an accident, and right when you need it, you find out the camera hasn't been recording this whole time. This camera doesn't let that happen. It lets you know when the Wi-Fi gets turned on. It lets you know when it's on. It lets you know what channels are recording. So if you don't hear 3-channel recording, if it's not recording, you will know, and you'll be able to address it so that you have the video when you need it. That's one of the most useful features, and I don't know why other brands don't do that. Second, regular software updates. It's one of the few camera companies out there that does regular software updates to the camera. They're always improving them. I've only updated them a few times because they're fairly reliable, but they do offer regular software updates. Most dash cams don't, because these are kind of throwaway products. These things are designed to last for years. There's no battery in here, so it's not going to degrade. They last a long time and they support them. And lastly, they're always innovating. They're always coming up with a new version. Like I said, I can't wait till they do a 4K all the way around, but they're heading there, right? 4K, 2K, 2K, great features at a reasonable price and less than $500. The reason why I say that's a great price is because typically these cameras right here, a 4K camera with say like two 1080p cameras or a 2K and a 1080p camera will run you for the same price. And this is doing 2K throughout. You're doing 4K, you're doing much higher quality. If you've ever had to use dash cam footage, the 1080p footage is not even good enough for license plate reading. So if one of your cameras is a 1080p, it's not great. With 4K, you get that extra detail there, and you can actually read license plates. You can actually zoom into the video and get the information you need. I'm glad to see that they're always innovating, and that's one of the reasons why I like them, because I'm hoping here in a few years we're gonna have a full 4K camera all the way around. And then lastly, it's one of the most reliable cameras out there on the market. Don't believe me? Go do a search for the cameras and you'll find that it is the most reliable camera out there. It is the highest reviewed. Usually it's on the best bargain list. There's so many reasons why this camera is so great. All right guys, so that's it for this video. Quick reminder, the price of this camera is $479. It's currently on sale. Any affiliate links that we have, if you guys want to support the channel, we'll put below either our affiliate links so we can earn a little bit of commission, or our Amazon link if you want to use that as well. As well as check out our Amazon page. We have a lot of stuff listed on there too, and it's another way you can support the channel when you're doing your Amazon shopping. Just to kind of recap, I'm a real big fan of these guys. I've paid my own money for a lot of their products before. This is the second camera they've sent me. I absolutely love their products. They work, they're reliable. You guys have seen a lot of their footage on my videos too. A lot of the dash cam footage you see is theirs. I'm a big fan of their products, what I consider to be one of the best cameras on the market. So if you guys are interested in getting a dash cam, don't look anywhere else. Viofo is by far one of the best brands out there for dash cams, period, by far, based on my experiences. All right guys, if you guys like this video, please consider subscribing. Put any questions, comments below. Let me know of any other cameras that you guys are using that you have the same reliability as these guys. There's not many, but I'd like to hear from you guys. So make sure you guys comment below, and thank you guys for watching.